So in my quest to finding the best performing desktop to edit with and have a daily driver for a desktop in the office, this is it. This is the Mac Studio M1 Max. As I told you in the previous video, I'm changing from the Mac Mini M2, which it was cool, but this is a much needed upgrade for me. So as you can see here on the front, you have the SD card slot, which is something I actually needed because I'm coming from editing with a 14-inch MacBook Pro and it has the SD card slot. Then I get the 2 Thunderbolt ports on the front there. This is an LED indicator there, more than likely. And then flipping around to the back, this is the heart of the matter. You got this big fan back here, and then it also has looks like a fan around the bottom here. And then you have the power cord goes in the center here. There's my Ethernet, 4 more ports right there, USB, HDMI, headphone, and power. So this is something that I was really excited about getting after hearing the current situation with the Mac Studio M2. I didn't see the need to jump that far up to a device that's probably going to perform about the same as this for the way I do YouTube. So this is the Mac Studio, and I think, like I said in the other video, I think Mims has been using this. So Mims, if you've been using this for your editing, tell me what you think about the power. This obviously has 32 gigs of storage in here, and it's the M1 Max. And coming from the M1 Pro, I think this is going to be a huge upgrade in performance for me. And editing times, 4K 60 frames per second, 4K 30 frames per second. It's gonna be a lot faster with this particular product. And I got this for such a good deal, it was hard to pass up. Apple, for editing, is where I think a lot of people should start. Windows computers are good, graphics card could be great, but if you can find a good deal on an Apple product, especially their new silicone, this M1, M2, M3, all the way up, I think it's gonna pretty much kill every Windows PC for editing that I can think of, because I have some Windows PCs for editing, and they are fast, but they are not faster than any of the Apple products that I have. Even all the way down to an M1 MacBook Air, it still edits a lot faster than some other computers that are Windows that produce 4K content when it comes to rendering times. So I like how this looks on the bottom here. You got this nice setup here, nice little soft touch feet on the bottom. And this is very subtle, but the one of the best parts about this is I have access to Thunderbolts on the front and the SD card on the front. That is something that the Mac Mini just didn't produce. And so I think this is, again, a much needed upgrade because I'm moving from editing with the 14-inch MacBook Pro to this. And so this is nice and sleek. It'll sit nicely on my desk. I will be showing you the new monitor setup soon, so stay on the lookout for that. The cable is a braided cable, and I like that too. I'm glad that they've moved to braided cables. It's a pretty sturdy cable, doesn't get tangled easy more than likely. So this is gonna be a nice upgrade for me. I know this isn't the latest and greatest M2 Max, but I wasn't looking for that. I was looking for an upgrade to the M1 Pro that I was using. So quick introduction. This is now here. Really liking this thing, gonna get it hooked up. I've got Ethernet in my office too, so I'll definitely be hooked up to Ethernet. I'm sure I'll be getting the best speeds I could possibly get. Now, the next question I have is my current monitor that you have not seen yet, you will see it. It has HDMI and Type-C. What is in your experience, what is the best connection for my new monitor? Type-C, Thunderbolt, or HDMI? Let me know in the comments. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed a quick introduction to my M1 Max Studio. Man, I'm so ready to get this thing powered up and get it using. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.